Okay, the next in the series in today's session is by Jyoti Malik. She's from Quagen CLC Genomics. She did her master's in biotechnology and is also from IIM for a management course she has carried out. So she's promoting genomics, real-time PCR arrays, SA Biosciences products, NGS and bioinformatics solutions. Also, she provides training, technical and marketing support to life science customers and molecular diagnostic customers. She was a research fellow in ILBS India, ICGEB and also at IARI. So I invite her to give a talk on bioinformatic analysis of whole genome sequence data. The floor is yours, Jyoti.
Thank you so much. Good morning, everybody. It's a very good nice morning to be here with all of you and just share some of the solutions from the QIAGEN. I'm with QIAGEN from last 6 years, so working with different products related to genomics and or some related to proteomics, real-time based products, and the bioinformatics solutions. So, not wasting further time, I would like to take you to the solutions, what QIAGEN can help you with the bioinformatics. So, as we all of know, scientists and researchers, they are very fastly moving towards, research whether they can interpret what they are doing. So, considering this, like so many things we have seen from last 10 years, we have seen a rapid growth in the, sequencing analysis. So, earlier we used to do kind of Sanger sequencing, which takes like so many days, and then analyzing the data is one of itself is the biggest task. So, from last 10-12 years, when there isn't like a evolution into the next generation sequencing. So nowadays doing sequencing is not a big task. So many of people just outsource, give the samples, and within a few days you can get your data in your hand. So now like those outsourcing companies, what they do with your sample and how do they analyze your data? Of course they use certain softwares for the analysis. Same thing you can even do in your lab. You could not be like dependent on these outsourcing. No matter whatever sequencer platform you have, either you are doing sequencing through Ion Torrent or Illumina or PacBio, as just you have gone through in your first session. So no matter which instrument you are using as in platform for your sequencing, QIAGEN solutions can help you with the data analysis from any of these. So whatever is your starting with the very like this basic thing in your labs, I say primer designing. Okay, so CLC can even help with the primer designing and up to the high throughput analysis, I say de novo assembly. So with this software, from the very basic things in your lab up to the high throughput analysis, the CLC can help you in all the parameters. So just let's start with the bioinformatics solutions. So QIAGEN, as you see, QIAGEN has a complete workflow solution we have developed, starting from the sample insights, sample to insight we generally call it, starting from your sample isolation to your data interpretation. In this procedure, we have certain kits that are like related to the sample isolation. I can forward and sure. So, starting from your sample isolation, we have various kits depending upon what type of sample you are using, and then through here next step is checking the QC of your samples, and then target enrichment, then library construction, then checking the QC of your library, and then NGS run. NGS run, basically you need a sequencer for the NGS run, which QIAGEN do not provide so far now, but very soon we are coming with this also. So you can use any other instrument over here. Once you have done with your NGS, now the task is, can you hear me all like this? Yeah. So I think it's better to be without this. So, the biggest task with the NGS is the data analysis. So, once you have done with your, you have run the experiment, now all thing depends upon how to analyze your data and how to interpret your data, because ultimate outcome is the interpretation of your data. So, for the data analysis, now here comes the role of the CLC solutions. And data interpretation also, we have certain softwares like we have Ingenuity. We have acquired Ingenuity. So, Ingenuity can help you in understanding like how gene to gene interaction or gene protein interaction, or how you can generate any sort kind of your own pathways, or designing a canonical pathway, or a kind of phylogeneity. So, the Ingenuity can help in that, but majorly we will talk today about the CLC softwares. So, when you talk about the NGS data analysis, there are three type of data that generates. First is your primary analysis. So, what is primary analysis? Primary analysis is when you run, suppose you have a sample and you have put it for the sequencing, or you have sent it for the sequencing. So, your data will be generated in the form of FASTQ files. So, this is your primary data, means that you have got the data, and that there is a format like these are generally in the form of FASTQ files, or there can be some BAM files also. This is your primary data. Now what you want to do with these FASTQ files? You have like thousands of data in your hand, thousands of genes in your hand. Now what you will do with these FASTQ files? You want to now correlate these data, and you want to do the analysis for different parameters. Suppose you want to do read processing, or you want to do resequencing, or say you want to do any RNA-seq data analysis, transcriptomics analysis, or you want to do any sort of metagenomic analysis or microbial sequencing you have gone through and you want to analyze those data, or you want to do de novo sequencing, or you want to do epigenomics studies. So, the secondary analysis is what actually you want to do with your these FASTQ files. Here for the secondary analysis, we provide the CLC software. Whatever parameter is of your interest, whatever you want to do with your FASTQ files, with the help of CLC, you can generate your data in any form. So, this is the secondary analysis, we have CLC bio software. Now comes the tertiary analysis. So, once you have done your secondary analysis, suppose you have gone through you have done RNA-seq, transcriptomics data analysis. Now, you have several of genes with your RNA-seq data. You want to study now how these genes are correlating with each other. You want to now interpret your data, like one gene is affecting other gene in what manner, how it is upregulating or how it is downregulating, or what if there is any protein, what impact that protein, if any gene is suppose downregulated, what will be the impact on the protein final expression. So, this tertiary analysis helps you in kind of interpreting your data. For tertiary analysis, we have two softwares, BioBase and the Ingenuity, but today we will generally focus on CLC only. So, any of you have heard about CLC like earlier this session? Okay, you might have heard of it. Okay. So, in CLC software, when we say there are generally so many freely available softwares also. If you go online, you can see many freely available softwares. One software ICES is supposed for generating the phylogeneity. Another software might be there for doing sequencing. Another software can be there, might say, for read mapping. So, you can use different freely available software doing different parameters, but now when you want to correlate all the data all together, it is very difficult, because either a high command computing language which helps you converting one software language to the another software language and to understand your data. So, considering all these factors, CLC company has designed this software by the name of CLC Genomics Workbench, and in which they have used a single software for all the parameters related to NGS sequencing, so that within under one roof you can do all your analysis. So, with the CLC software, the main it is commonly known by the name of CLC Genomics Workbench. So, with this in CLC Genomics Workbench, all the analysis related to the sequencing you can do, and we have this biomedical, but now biomedical we have merged with Genomics Workbench also. So, there is no need of taking it separately. Biomedical is basically more focused towards anyone who is doing clinical studies. But we have now merged both the softwares all together. So, within one software, no matter what species you are working on, either you are working on plant species or you are working on animal species or human or mouse or rat or anything, with the software can help you in studying any species data or analyzing any species sequencing data. With this CLC, we have certain plugin modules. These modules you can integrate with your CLC softwares. Suppose I say microbial genomics module. So, microbial genomics module is basically for metagenomics studies. Anyone who is interested towards microbial sequencing. So, metagenomics module helps with the metagenomics studies. We have another module which is the genome finishing module, which is towards the high end, like suppose you are doing de novo kind of assembly things. So, the genome finishing module helps in kind of annotations and other things with the CLC plugin. Now, the CLC software, people want to know like how in what kind of system this software would work. So, no matter whatever system you have, either you have a desktop, say Windows, or you have a like a Mac, or you have a Linux based system, the software is compatible with all these systems. Just want to introduce a few things like CLC functionalities. CLC can help you with the processing of your NGS data, can help with the quality control of your data. You want to do any kind of RNA-seq analysis or small RNA analysis, or you want to do DNA-seq or reads processing. So, the software can help you with these parameters. So, it can also help you in understanding the differential expression and statistical analysis of RNA-seq and small RNA. Software can also help you in generating, annotate and compare high confidence variant calls. It also facilitates analysis with interactive visualizations. Also, there are you can even construct your own workflows within the software. Although there are many ready to use workflows, but if you want to customize your own workflow as per your requirement, you can even customize your workflows and you can save it into the system, and whenever you have your data, you can use your own workflows also, because that would be easy for you, because you know how you need to do it. So, you can even integrate your own workflows, you can customize, or you can use the like the workflows which software suggests. And plugins that I discussed in the previous slides, like for the metagenomics or the finishing module, or you want to do blastings. So, we have different plugins which you can directly integrate with the CLC and you can use it. There can be even any freely, some of the freely plugins are also there. Available free online. If you want to integrate them with CLC, so CLC provides a space for that also. So, it is not a kind of bound software, things you can integrate and you can customize in your own way also. So, this slide helps you in the, this is a kind of visualization of your software. I will also take you to the software. This is the kind of visualization of your software. So, on the, if you see the right hand side of your, you all are right. If I talk about mine, so in the right hand side of mine, this is the visual graphics where whatever you are doing, it will display like this on your windows. And on the other side, there are the different, you can see all these are the, this is a kind of toolbox for whatever you want to do kind of analysis. Suppose I say you want to do whole genome sequencing, so you can use you can go to whole genome sequencing and you can use the workflows related to the whole genome sequencing. In case suppose you want to do any kind of resequencing analysis, so you can go to the resequencing page and you can do the resequencing analysis. The only thing is that you have to import and export your data files. So, once you import your data files into the system, you can even it got saved over there anytime if you want, you can use it. Once you see if it is not for your interest, you can remove those import files and you can upload new import files. So, genomics workbench, there are few things, it is just we have briefed it out. Everything is on our websites also. I can introduce to the QIAGEN website for the specially designed for the bioinformatics, where you can there is a manual also for everything, each and every individual parameters, say read mapping or ChIP-seq analysis, or you want to do de novo assembly. So, the website can help you like step by step in understanding how to use the software. We have a manual that is a 1000-page manual, so it is very difficult to download. So, I can introduce it where you can go and see the manual. We have ready to use some videos also already available on our website. When you get free time, you can go through those videos also. So, you will get in proper understanding, because of course, in one day within 1 hour you cannot get everything. So, if you have any sort of your data, we can issue you a trial license. You can start using it slowly, and like it can help you in understanding depending upon what application you want to do.
Those videos are like they are always
Those
on your site, or
yes, ma'am. Those videos are a kind of tutorial videos. So, step by step, taking one, suppose say RNA-seq. So, the videos will like how to import your FASTQ files, how to use the software with what applications, and then how to do the analysis. So, we have few videos on our website. We have uploaded it because we know going through software will take time. It is not one day you can read the protocol and do it. So, I will just introduce now. Also, we keep on conducting webinars also, online webinars. So, online webinars like on our website, anytime you can check when the another upcoming webinar is there. You can register yourself to the webinar, and you can even go for the live webinars. So, live webinars is like some of our technical expert from the core bioinformatics team. They will pick one topic and they will give a webinar like how to do the analysis of this, and you can online you can listen to those webinars also. So, these are just few screenshots to show you how in what form you can see your data. Suppose there you are doing resequencing on variant detection. So, it is a kind of screenshot like how your data will appear. In case you are doing de novo genome assembly or genome finishing or phylogenery, like this data will be there like contings and other things. In case you are doing RNA-seq or you are doing microarray analysis or statistical gene expression analysis, or you are doing epigenetics, any kind of ChIP-seq analysis. So, these are the screenshots like. So, you can get the data in all the forms, in the 3D structure or the visualization graphics. So, we will get the data in all the forms, not only like the files and which are difficult to understand, even the visual graphics will be there. We do provide trial licenses. In case any one of you want, we provide a trial license for 15 days, and if you have like want to further go ahead, just you have to let me know, we will reissue for you. So, on our you can go to our website. From there you can put a direct request for the trial. They will issue you the trial, or you can share with me, I can issue the trial for you. So, you have to go to the QIAGEN bioinformatics website. For this CLC genomics trial option is there, you can go for the trial. Whatever system you are having, either you are having Windows based system or Mac based system or the Linux based system, you can any system you can use, and you can download the license.
no, the license is for the workbench, pipeline, or the
Workbench
workbench.
trial license. Within the trial license, you can even use any module also. Suppose I say metagenomics, so you can go to the plugin section. There is an option for the trial for 14-15 days. You can go for the selecting trial. You can use the trial for 14-15 days. So, within the trial, you can use any module. Otherwise, few modules are like the freely available plugins, and few are like the paid plugins. So, the paid plugins, even if in the trial, you can use it free. So, and installing the software is not a very big thing. You can this is the website kaizenbioinformatics.com. You can download the software, just few steps to follow with the